What is the value of div theta? Whereas theta 1 and theta 2 is representing the apparent angle of dip observed in two vertical planes at right angle to each other. The true angle of dip relates to the apparent angle, or as we can say it's related with theta 1 and theta 2 observed in. So the true angle satisfies the cotangent relationship, which is nothing but cot square theta is equal cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta 2. So this comes from the resolving the horizontal and vertical component of Earth's magnetic field in two perpendicular planes, because the relationship from the geometry of Earth magnetic field components only we can solve this question. So the correct answer for the question is option D here.